Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explaining class 8, chapter 13, direct and inverse proportion, exercise 13.1. First question. Following are the car parking charges near a railway station. So 4 hours is 60 rupees, 8 hours 100 rupees, 12 hours 140 rupees, 24 hours 180 rupees. Check if the parking charges are in a direct proportion to the parking time. Okay, so here they asking that direct proportion in parking charges to parking time. So when you take the ratio between charges to time is constant or not. Okay, if it is constant, they are in direct proportion. If it is not constant, they are not in direct proportion. So first one, yeah, 60 rupees for 4 hours. Okay. Ratio nothing but division. So that is a 4 1 ja 4 15 ja. How much you can get? 15 is 2. 1. Next here 100 by 8. 100 by 8. So that is a 4 2 ja 4 25 ja. That is equal 25 is to 2. So next 140 by 12. 140 by 12. So here 2. 4 3 ja 4 3 ja 5 ja. That is 35 is to 3. Next 180 by 24 hours. So 6 4 ja, so 6 12 2 ja 12 15 ja. That is equal to 15 is to 2. So here the ratio is not constant. So it is different. First one is 15 is to 1. Next one is 25 is to 2. Next one is 35 is to 3. Next one is 15 is to 2. So it is different. Okay. So therefore it is not in direct proportion. So the parking charges are not in direct proportion in parking time. So no direct proportion. Next, a mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigment with the 8 parts of base. So, in the following table, find the parts of base that needed to be added. So, in this given question, it is a direct proportion. So, here 1 part of red pigment is equal to 8 parts of base. So, for 4 parts of red pigment, how many bases is adding? How many parts of bases is adding? So here, how we can do the direct proportion? What the direct proportion formula? X1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So here, x1 is 1, y1 is 8, 1 red pigment. Next, 8 parts of base. So that is equal to next x2 is 4, y2. Okay, so we don't know that. So that is what the formula x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So that is here 1 by 8 is equal 4 by y2. So y2 divide come to left side and become multiple. So y2 is equal 4 into 8. So y2 is equal how much? 32. So how many parts of bases is adding for 4 pigments? 32 parts of bases. Next same. Second one. It is the first one. So x1 is 1, y1 is 8, x2 is 7, y2. So that is a 1 by 8 into 7 by y2. X1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So that is equal y2 is equal to 7 into 8. That is y2 is equal to how much? 56. So for 7 parts of red pigments is equal to 56 parts of base. 56 parts of base. So next same. Third one. X1 is 1, y1 is 8, x2 is 12, y2 is. So that is a 1 by 8 is equal 12 by y2. So y2 is equal 12 8 ja. So y2 is equal 12 8 ja 96. So how many parts of bases we can add in for 12 red pigments? 96. So next 20. So x2 is equal to 20 by 2. So that is equal 1 by 8 is equal to 20 by y2. So y2 is equal to 20 into 8. That is equal to how much? 160 parts of base for 20 red pigments. Next, in question number 2 above, if one part of red pigment requires 75 ml of base, So how much red pigment should we mix with 1800 ml of base? So here for 1800 ml base, how much red pigment is added? So that is here x1 is equal 1, y1 is equal 75 ml. So x2, we don't know that. Next y2 is equal to how much? 1800 ml. So it is which proportion? Direct proportion. So x1 by y1 is equal x2 by y2. So that is here 1 by 75 is equal x2 by 1800. So 1800 divided, come to left side open, multiple. So 1 by 75 into 1800 is equal x2. So that is a 5, 15, 5 ja, 15, 12 ja, 120 ja. So 5 1 ja, 5 24 ja. So x2 is equal to how much? 24 red pigments is needed for 1800 ml of base. So here 15 5 ja 75, 15 12 ja 180. Okay, so 15 5 ja 15 120 ja, 5 1 ja 5 24 ja. So how many red pigments is needed for 1800 ml of base? 24 red pigments. Next, a machine is in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. Okay, in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? So it is which proportion? Direct proportion. So x1 is 840 bottles. So y1 is how many hours it is complete? 6 hours. So x2 is, we don't know that. Y2 is how much? 5 hours. So how many bottles are filled in 5 hours? Okay, so what the formula? Direct proportion. X1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So that is a 840 by 6 is equal x2 by y2, that is 5. So 5 divided, come to left side open, multiple. So 840 by 6 into 5 is equal x2. So 6 1 ja 6, 120 ja. So 125 ja 600. So how many bottles are filled in 5 hours? 600 bottles are filled in 5 hours. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.